Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create an HBL using the HBL Upload Using AI feature in the Fresa Global application. Let's get started. First, log into the Fresa Global application. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. Next, navigate to the menu page. In the search bar, type HBL Draft Upload and click Search. From the search results, select HBL Draft Upload. The HBL Draft Upload list page will open. Click Submit to view any previously uploaded HBL drafts. Now, click HBL Draft Upload. The PDF upload window will appear. Click Choose File, browse to your system, and select the HBL Draft PDF that you want to upload. Once the file is uploaded, the AI will automatically read the document and extract the relevant information. The HBL PDF extracted data window will then appear, with most of the fields automatically populated. Next, review the extracted information and fill in the required details, including shipment type, transport mode, container mode, branch, Incoterms, client name and address, salesperson, and customer service. After verifying all the required fields, click Save. Now, click Generate Shipment, and then click Generate Shipment once again to confirm the process. The application will redirect you to the Shipment View page. Review all the shipment details to ensure the information has been captured accurately. And that's it. This is how you can create an HBL using the HBL Upload Using AI feature in the Fresa Global application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.